If New York had a signature meal, this would be it. Let's make these easy fried chicken wings with french fries just like at your local Chinese restaurant. After we clean our chicken, we're going to season it with some salt, white pepper, and some ground turmeric. So I know you're probably like, why are we using turmeric? So the turmeric is going to mimic the yellow color that's on the fried chicken wings at the Chinese restaurant. You don't want to use too much turmeric, just enough so it will look like this. Now let's prepare the flour mixture. For that, we're just going to be using a mixture of half all-purpose flour and half cornstarch. I have seen people use like rice flour. I've never tried that, but if you've tried it, let me know in the comments how it turns out. Then we're just going to coat our chicken in that flour mixture. Now to ensure that our chicken is really crispy, we're going to make sure that we really press that chicken into the flour. And just shake off the excess and we are ready to fry. Make sure that your oil is hot before you place your chicken in. And then when you're frying the flat pieces, which by the way are my absolute favorite part, you have to make sure that you're frying the skin side down first. This way it stays crispy. It's also important not to overcrowd your pan. So I'm just gonna fit as many as I can in, but they're not gonna be touching. Overcrowding your pan will result in soggy chicken and is gonna take longer to cook because the oil has decreased in temperature. And then guys, once the chicken gets that beautiful golden brown on one side, go ahead and flip them. Obviously, if you have a deep fryer, you don't have to flip them, but I don't have one. I definitely need to invest in one, but we're gonna go ahead and flip them all, and this is what it should look like. Another tip for frying chicken, guys, please do not poke holes in your chicken. I've seen people like poke holes and see if it's done. That is just going to take away all the juiciness from the chicken. Next, let's get started on our french fries. I'm going to be using the Ore-Ida brand. I love this bag of fries because it's like the ones that they use at the restaurant. Once those get nice and crispy, let's go ahead and plate. I found some white containers at the store, just like the restaurant. I was so excited. And now I'm going to line it with parchment paper and we're going to dump in our french fries. Then let's dump in that good crispy fried chicken. These are still kind of hot, so I'm trying to work quickly here. Now this sauce, you guys, is really going to bring this dish together. This is MAMBO sauce, which originated in DC. I remember back in the day when I was in high school, I could go to certain Chinese restaurants like the ones in East New York and get this sauce. And you basically just ask them to smother your fries and chicken in this sauce. It is so delicious, guys. And when I couldn't get this sauce, I would just ask them for barbecue sauce, hot sauce, and ketchup, all three, and just smother it. It's literally the perfect combination of like a sauce for wings and fries. Like it's kind of barbecue saucy, it's kind of ketchupy, it's kind of got a little bit of spice, it's sweet, it's tangy. It is so good, you guys. If you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Also, snap a pic and tag me on Instagram at livetasty_. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.